Okay, let's start now. If you want to chase your goals, or if you want to pursue your new passion in life, you need to find purpose, or you need to find purpose first. Because when you start your goal with no purpose, your goal or your own self is going to be shattered. Yes, because 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 if you don't have a purpose when you're chasing a goal, you're always like that, always relying on your own motivation, rather than relying on your own action. Because sometimes people don't act don't act if they have a goal. Sometimes they always sit around and do nothing. Because truly, if you want to chase your goals truly and honestly, you need to do it with action, and sometimes with patience. Because when you do always action to your goals, it's going to be more tempting and more stressful. And sometimes if you abuse your own patience, and sometimes when you actually always use patience, you're going to be lazy and finding more reason or too many excuses for you to keep moving. The truth is, when you combine these two disciplines, action and patience, they became your progress and growth. Because when you combine those two, you're not just disciplining yourself or balancing yourself. You're building your own resilience and more stability. And you don't need to always be chasing perfection when you chase those both, and when you combine those both. Yeah, if you combine those two disciplines, it's going to be your truly and more growth and resilience, stability and balance, not perfection. That's is your growth. That is your progress. Combine those two. Combine action, consistency, patience, and